enter the rush.
Go.
Rush to Justice, or what's the dog's name? I forget. But anyway, debut Rush to Judgment. I was corrected by your Columbia girls. We call you guys the Columbia girls. Anyway, we're side by side filming you. Aren't you special? Anyway, your debut, excellent run.
Get in there.
There you go, dude. Look at him coming right at us. All right. Look at those poles. Look at him finding that entrance. What a dog. Look at him. Oh. That was good, little keeping his attention off that ending jump. And your time is 43:53.